Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and today we will talk about sales budget. This is part of a series of videos about budget, sales, production, and so on. So this is the first one, and if we are talking about budget, we are talking about Excel. So let's go to our Excel file. Let me find it here. And let's consider our Skype Corporation sales budget for the year ended December 31st. So, okay, we will be working with a yearly budget. And by the way, all of our Excel files, they are available for free. And the link to download it is in our video description. So first of all, sales price. Our sales price 150 for all of our month, and then the total is also 150 because we never sum prices. And unit sales based in our marketing projections and so on, we have this amount of unit sales. So from January to December. And here at the top corner here, we are looking at January. Why do we need January? We don't need for now for sales. However, our ending inventories usually is based on next month sales. So for us in the following videos to find our ending inventory of December, we need January numbers. So we need January sales. Okay, so here if we have unit sales multiplied by sales price, we have our total sales revenue. So 4.5 million January, and then we copy and paste until December. And then total, we can also copy and paste the same formula. How do we double check if this number is right? We are working with the formula unit sales multiplied by sales price. And here, these totals, unit sales is the sum of from January to December. If we sum our numbers here from January to December, we must find the same number. So we must find the same sales. Okay, so okay, it is right. And now we will split our sales in cash sales. We are receiving it now. Credit sales, we will receive it in the future. Let's consider here 40% cash sales and credit sales to be easier. One less, uh, sorry, 100% less. Oh, okay, 60%. We will not fight against it. Okay, so this is our cash and credit sales, scope and paste. Well, or we can work with different numbers as well. And now, the type of sales in cash and credit. So we will split now these total revenues in total cash sales revenue and total credit sales revenue. So total cash sales 4.5 times 40%, credit sales 4.5 times 60%, and total sales revenue sum of our revenues. And these two numbers here, they must match. They must match all the time. And we copy and paste this formula, we will have until our total. And again, the totals must match. Okay, guys, so that's it. Sales budget is not the hardest one. Usually we work with given numbers given from marketing departments, usually. So it's not that hard. Okay, guys, so thank you. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com and subscribe our channel, like our video, and have a very nice day.